Riko neri Jumanne tariki isano na ibere cy'umutienyi o gatanu na kabere itariki kianda cy'umutienyi o gatanu na kabere umwaka w'ibibere na mirongo ebere ne n'umwanci umurgereria ekerokoro kwegena kwane bunaritko lya ondigenderete ko bari toyerukegima na mono genderete kwego kyasoko batemero berionsi yegataseni kyandizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo musi ne kinga kingi yakero cyaragire cyinsa ikumi cyabona mugoroba kinga kingo kwariganya SMS mayank munyuna nara yaya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobikiranu nyora sensemo ya Facebook na kwenda rotanyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube rotanyarwetera Ndizi TV News na boigase website ito na boko ya samwetera www.ndizitv.net eri otogendere gusanga sobwamo. Riatriane Evelino Sero riatokupatira nase semo imenyererio nigakoro kwa Lydia Musena boigo Sara Mumanyi nero koine kya chibichanerio gicha wikira sencha bene ngo kwariganio beko gosanga amona inchigoika omwerio ama yechinsa ikomia sencha yo bene tokoya chaga korwa se county ya Nyamira abasiritwira rero mugavana we county yo Amos Kimwominyaribo abagakora omoroberio obwotuko bwatoka chibasarigo cha se avorokiwa abubakorwa ase chinga chitari kwenyara bunenchira yemo yoko kia bunango sirare benko byetsemi ase county ya Nyamira na kwenekia bunakera omwano chire skuru na kwenyorera chisemi kokwa na chinga kie chonya liboni gabaga kokanya bamenyekoro ase county ya Nyamira kwenekia bunango akana bale bango na asenchira ebwenete na bego chinga kibwenerete asenchira mo yogo konya kogenderia county yo niga mentire buna enibe yo kobwato kwa neserekali nigo erenge kegima na igo county netakeire gusangireria ebanga sekerengo keigoro eriogo isana babe bakorera amagendero asesemeyo nigo umurobero yabakokorekana asegeti kya Huru Gardens imeyo mucyo Nyamira asabo igarurege kurege tindi go cyase abo bisaba lya bagusangereria ebango ko batariko yekya ase ebwenerete go ikiwa natabona bwanko igaho ndora chikonyorekana nigara kwimukirwa egetambukiro eketindi korengana nerichiko
Ikiwa ndo msingi kumtoka nyora sabato kwa kane mshahara ndora wala mafuta gani ndora toma wa bisaba jo kale gazi siko ndo kane lunch yeye ndo kera dokoni atio monda kane ba monda kane ba abanda bari njira no banyati yumo
ase chinga kiecho nyaribo boigo nigabaga koene kya buna nati kogendera gokorera abananchi imeye county ya Nyamira amagendero na kubagania bale bagenderete komerera ekirogo kyobo governor amate asatere buna nigo bagenderete komochia na kubagikeria askeria tebire buna nigo libagario komochia kubwatkana na magendera ya okora se county ya Nyamira nigo bwente koira chinga kiecho na korwa obosemia igoro yali abwenerete gokorwa eliyo kosemia eliyo kogenderia county ya Nyamira
abantu baito mbanje tia county ito wanabanya siasa yonko waboya ngikena agere mbarimu ko bateto bogabana oba ko na Nyamira yayi numero jomaro ebi ndombi yabire bango to bangete yosi no chombi ya tokara onyu mondo adaete egasi igao ni sera sake atenene tokombi tene njengo ni chiaye karambwe iyaba lewede tadi eri baria sali mobile lakini ise kwa wabata itomo gambi na ubo kabango mkilisa zijonga dioka anye kimwato marema asegete bawojo bisokwana ele hata kaire county ele malete ele kabisa ikiana kawo sare ile county it means even when we discuss with development partners and we are at okonya chiweza yo ba wa to impact picture wara be abo abantu baito toko abo igabanje county yabo bakwana mangana maya ayara mabe bacho bizali twakwana na utogare jobisha ikiaro
Okona chinga kekira naso moyego yobo igomo MCB go diari goma nyambega gisesa uyobo igoro munyakirogo bwe kyama kya UPA nigamuganiro muri wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kwango ya ogochorowe committee iyo rachie gochora abo bisa bekyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IBC eliyo kwena kyabuna obochori bwabere bogo korekana ase chinsemo ao echo chitabwati abarayibuna ensemo ya Nyansiongo nabo igo ewodi ya Nyamaya ase kirenga yo kwene kiabuna barayi babere bakobekwa sogo konya koreta magendero ase chiwodi echo.
I'm the national chairperson of the UPA political party Esaigayomogusi, na siku ya leo President William Ruto akiwa na Raila Odinga akiwa na Kalonzo hata Gachagua walikuwa wamepitisha ule mswada the president has assented to the IBC amendments bill. What we want to request the government is that let us put the selection committee of 9 people as soon as possible. We have wards, we have 2 wards in the whole of Western Kenya. That is in Nyamaya, where Mheshimiwa Zeria presents, and in Nyansiongo, where by elections are supposed to be conducted. Sisi tunaomba serikali iharakishe ile mambo ya kuweka selection panel ya IBC ndio tukuwe na commission.
Togotigana nayo turigereria yabereka okorekana iskoyoro gongorwa gusiri tkulere no murayi wese Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo abeka ese kobarichiko umuswada bwe kyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IBC okukwarenge okuganya kwa beto okubekwa se orobotiro lya Rwanda kokubwatkana nechingwana echo cyabachigo korekana gati ya serikali nensemo ekwamireria serikali okwana chinga kicho kobeka chinga kyaba kubeke se murobero yo ase amagacho ake ICC me mu Nairobi. Ruto nigabaka goteba buna nochi gokonya muno aso kubachora ba commissioner ase kyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IBC eriyo kwarorobia amatuko igose kwarorobia obochori abure bosio ase kereno nyana batebire bo igobuna abarayimense ya Kenya nigo baratubwatirana asoko enekya buna amagendera berega gokorekana imense ya Kenya nabo gokoenekya abuna orobotio Rwanda nigo robwatekirenga yo koreta obomo no bwa mateburo buya ase egati y'abakenya bonsi.
The spirit of NASTCO is the spirit of unity, bipartisanship, and consensus building, values which have helped our nation overcome its most challenging moments. Even as I assent to this bill, I look forward to supporting and facilitating any other outputs of the national consensus that was NASTCO to ensure that Kenya moves forward and with as many hands on deck as is possible. The leadership of Parliament, both on the majority and minority sides, have heard what the leaders here have said, and they should proceed with dispatch and expedite the other recommendations that are contained in the NATCO report and process the necessary bills and interventions that are necessary for us to actualize the output of that report. I am very confident that, as always, Kenya knows how to pull together, and leaders know how to come together in the best interest, not of individuals, not of parties, but the collective body of the Kenyan people. And I look forward to working with leaders, as I have said, going forward on a broad-based political mechanism that will see us steer the country to the future.
Asomrobero yoniga barai au baikerana gati au mokonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua umonene waba waziri Musalia Mudavadi Moses Wetangula au gati ya barai banda banke nabaiga barai kurwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya bakora wana Raila Amolo Odinga yoro murai bobomo bwo nabaiga Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka egati ya bande abanke okwana Raila nigabaga batebabuna sorry Raila nigabaga batebabuna ense ya Kenya yabereke wetera amangana amange asaganirie abakenya babe bakubwataniwa ase emeroberio au eryo kwene kiabuna babere bakusanga ibirengerere byabo kubwatkana namaganyo ali abaganiti abekawe kranwa asenchera gosekerenga kyo goskia ense ya Kenya busyo asenchera ire yugororo.
But the NATCO report contains very many issues which are at the heart of the people of Kenya today. If you see the issues which are being raised by our youth, most of them are actually contained in the NADCO report. But if this NADCO report is implemented fully, we'll be able to address all those issues which these young people are raising. We are, as I've said, at a very, very crucial juncture in the history of our country. Our country has moved forward. There have been highs and lows in our history, 61 years. We need to move forward. And I want to say, that, at this moment in time, my brother, that we require now a wider engagement so that people have an opportunity to vomit all that is there in their chest in order that we can be able to find a way forward.
Attorney General Justin Muturi nigabereka okwanira okurobekana okwo kwabagoko enekiwa imeyense ya Kenya chinsemo au kurawa nabasaibe gori ya Gen Z asekeri aterebuna nigo kurobekana okwo kwabagoko leta ama gusobo saria obonene nabo yokwirera abantu gusiria amagimabo. Muturi nigabereka kuboria basaya bo ba Gen Z kweneki abuna babere bakuba batoerero na kwa serikali chinga kichinyororo eriwe ikirania amagani yabo asekeri nigo serikali ya berege kubategerera nabo igo kubaiwa
nijezia ashikilo but unajua jana walikuwa na mambo mengi pale Uhuru pa, kwa hivyo labda mambo imekuwa mingi, lakini we hear what they say and we take them and we take it seriously, because I believe where nobody means any ill to us, the others. Whether you are leaderless or leader, or you have a leader, you are contributing to the growth and development and the well-being of your motherland. And that is important. We hear you and we will take into account what you are saying. Kwa hivyo wacha tu kidogo tu, unajua si hata wewe ndio ufike miaka hiyo ndio ukuje pale, si umechukua muda. Kwa hivyo yale mmesema, mmeyasema, tumeyasikiza at the highest level. So just give us a little bit of time. We go through the process, I'm sure.
Hegati ya baraibe ma kia ODM kurwase kaunti ya Kwale ni wabagikiri obusari obwaboko eneki wakubwatikana nukurobekana wa Gen Z kwa mereria finance bill ya 2024 koirera banke gusiria amagima okwana chinga kiecho ni gobaga bakomotia abarai bali babete ba wakikurajo goitabirana ogweti wa finance bill yo na goteba buna nigo barachi kogenderera kurwanirira abasaya soko eneki abuna amaganiabo abeire kawe kiraniwa.
Hivi majuzi nafikiri tuliwaona vijana wamejitokeza. Mimi nataka kusema Wakwale, wacha tuwa appreciate wale vijana. Wa Kenya nzima, jambo ambalo walikuwa wanalifanya lilikuja tu likaingiliwa na ushetani wa wakora, lakini vijana walikuwa wanafanya kile wanachojua ni sawa. Na ujue ulimwengu tulionao sio ulimwengu tena wa sisi wazee kusema wale vijana wanatugai na ni kwa sababu tumewasomesha. Wanajua rights zao. Huwezi kuwakandamiza vile unavyotaka wewe. Walijitokeza na wakasema ukweli wao. Na sisi viongozi tukarudi nyuma tukasikia na tutafuatilia na tutahakikisha yale walioyataka katika ile sheria sisi tutayakapcha.
Na mtu yoyote ambaye alipiga yes ndiye alifanya wale watu 50 wakafa. Maana ungepiga no kusingekuwa na maandamano. Kwa hivyo mtu yote ambaye alipiga yes ndiye alileta ile gharika yote ya vijana wanaleta shida. Kwa hivyo hakuna kuhurumiana ikifika 2027. Au mnasema wahurumiwe? Wangapi wanasema waliopiga no wataenda nyumbani?
Lakini viongozi wetu Kwale wanatembea hawana maringo Ndio sababu naona hatuna
Serikali nigo yachakira umuroberi obwokubokia ebigwanda byokorosia ebintu kutumika amasangwa asechinchera asechichera buna echera ya kamiti nabo igo kitengela ebyo byabeire bigotinena asegeka bono gokwana sechera kitengela umurikyo munene asensemo yobokoreri bwa Maunchorero Salome Biako nigatere buna egetambukire kyo nigo kerachiego konya asokoreta obwaito bonene emergency ya Kenya anene kwenana amabaga yemeremo gochiase abasaya batabwati emeremo egati ya magendranda manki.
Under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, the leather value chain is one of the key presidential priorities, and the president has been looking to revive the entire tannery industry or leather industry for purposes of job creation, for purposes of increasing exports of manufacture and export and local consumption of leather products. And here in the prison we have a tannery, and the reason we came is so that we can look in at the tannery and explore ways of reviving it. It is essential because under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, one of the main things is vocational training. And we think that if we can revive the industry, the leather industry in prison, we can scale up the training of our inmates as well as our staff in leather production, and also plug into income, revenue generation for us.
As we are reviving the sector for leather, we found that there's a huge demand for our leather, Kenyan leather, good quality leather. So we've been working with the private sector to see how we can increase production of especially leather finished goods so that we can do value addition and create jobs here in Kenya. We currently make about 8 million shoes per year here in Kenya. We want to bring that up to about 36 million shoes, which will create almost 100,000.
Mwanchi umurigeri bana roboti orunero toreto moyo bo mayaye chinsa 10 senchera ere yobwengi korene na mangito genretego kwariganire kurase mesaito ayura chikanyora subu ikirano ekerera agensemo nabo igo chinsa isato chamogoroba yendera kubati miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook otunyarwitra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo igase website yaito wetra www.ndizitv.net erio togendre gusanga asobwa meretre Evelyn Osero lida mosenera twawatra na sensemo yebimenyererio nabo igo Sara Mumanyi nero inakiachibichanerio gicha wikera senchira bene kukuganeria oburigere boro bya semiro bire kubwatia nabo igo magoroba erentoerero.